Well, that's me just back from the shops. And while I was there, I checked the dates to make sure my food will be okay for when I need to use it. Now, if you're like me, I sometimes get my use by and best before dates mixed up. People often say I'm past my use by date, but my dating profile says otherwise. Now, use by and best before dates are actually two different things. A use by date is about food safety and it has to be used on foods which go off quickly. Things like pigs in the blankets or sliced meat or patty, all the things we love to eat at this time of the year. Now, after their use by date, you can't eat them. Otherwise, you could be spending Christmas on the loo. Not something we want to think about, eh? Now, a best before date is different. Food that's past its best before date can be eaten after this date. Listen, it might not be as good quality, but it won't harm you. Like cranberry sauce or these delicious mince pies. And if you're like me, it takes me all my time to resist them, you know. Now, always follow the storage instructions on food labels, as they'll tell you how long you can keep the food, particularly when opened and where it should be kept, like in the fridge, for example. Are you with me, boys and girls? Yeah? Good. Now, let's get these put away and I'll get the kettle on.